Nothing, the consumer tech startup led by Ownplus co-founder Carl Pei, will announce its first smartphone at an event on July 12, the company has announced. The Nothing Phone 1 will be the company's second device, following the release of its Ear 1 True wireless earbuds last year. The in-person event will be held in London alongside a simultaneous livestream at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Nothing is branding the launch as Nothing event Return to Instinct.
The company has already teased and officially announced several aspects of the smartphone. At an event in March, the company teased details of its Nothing OS launcher, which will run on top of Android 11. This launcher was released in beta last month. The phone will reportedly feature transparent elements in its design, will have illuminating light strips on the back of the device, and will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. The smartphone represents the next step in Nothing's desire to build out an ecosystem of interconnected smart devices. It plans to produce some of these interconnected devices itself, while collaborating with third-party companies to produce others.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.